you go.
So this is one of Trevor's fun events that he likes to put on. I know he's done some skydiving events, and this is the big gun shoot. We come out and fire fully automatic weapons. We've got a big 50 cal. It's a blast. It's not something you get to do every day, and we just have a lot of fun with our clients.
This is what we would call a Hoo-Yah event, right? A Hoo-Yah evolution, where we're just basically out here to have a good time and enjoy some of the privileges of being Americans. My main purpose out here today was basically safety, so that's where my head was. Second to that is we're just out here to have a good time and some camaraderie, some relationship building. That's why we're here today.
There is no normal day. It's never the same, which is one of the things I like about this place. It's always something different. Companies I've worked at before, they invite clients to go play golf or, whatever. Trevor doesn't really believe in that. He's more into, let's entertain them in a different format. And the clients, a lot of them really enjoy doing something different like this. And we do too. It's a great day out of the office to come out here and help.